In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in KoboToolbox. We'll walk through the process together in a simple and practical way so you can share access to a project with the right person and assign the permission level that fits what they need to do. To begin, go to KoboToolbox and open the project's home area. This is where you'll see the list of projects available in your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace before continuing, especially if you manage more than one project. Once you're on the project's page, find the project you want to share. In this example, you'll click the checkbox for the sample project. Selecting the checkbox is important because it tells KoboToolbox which project you want to manage. If you skip this part, the sharing options may not apply to the correct project. After selecting the project, move to the top right area of the screen and click on Share Project. This opens the sharing and collaboration settings for that specific project. This is the area where you can control who has access and what they're allowed to do inside the project. Next, click on Add User. This will open the section where you can invite or assign another user to the project. At this stage, KoboToolbox is preparing to connect a user account to your selected project. Now enter the username in the field provided. Be careful to type the username correctly because access will be granted to the exact account you enter. If the username is wrong, the intended person may not receive access, so it's always a good idea to double check before moving on. After that, select the appropriate permission. This step is very important because permissions determine what the added user can view or change in the project. Choose the permission level that matches the role you want that person to have. For example, some users may only need limited access, while others may need broader project permissions. Taking a moment here helps prevent accidental changes later. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Depending on the version of KoboToolbox you're using, you may see additional prompts, confirmation buttons, or final review options. Just proceed through those on-screen instructions until the user is successfully added. And that's it. Once completed, the user should now have access to the project according to the permission you selected. If needed, you can always return to the project sharing settings later to adjust permissions or remove access.